So given that I have to create a developer community
Hmm.
because my startup deals with DevTools,
Yep.
how do I go about creating a developer community in 2024?
Yeah, there's like, I mean, you kind of like build the watering hole, right? There's like a common set of tools, like, hey, we have like, if you look at like any project, like, they have a Slack workspace, they have a way for like async, they have an async communication and a synchronous communication mechanism. So, and then they have like an SCM repo, right? So you pick a repo, you pick a Slack workspace, you pick maybe like a form like discourse, kind of put that together and then kind of start producing content or start saying, hey, like these are some cool use cases. You're like, hey, they're kind of natural like kind of natural progression of a dev community. Like but it's hard to get out of the first step. Is like they start as like problem solving places. Like if you look at like any new project, like most people are like talking about, oh, like I have a problem, help me solve it. But what you really want to get focused on is like having people tell the story that they're using it, or like an adopters.md file, right? Like you want proof that people are using it, not only having trouble, right? So that's kind of that hard first step. Like it's easy to answer questions because like people always post their problems, but people won't post their success. And so you need to like incentivize people posting success. So success breeds success, right? Incremental success. But if you show a couple, same thing journey we're going on in my current company, like we've been trying to elevate out of this question and answer, like, hey, we want people to show that they're using it. I mean, they are showing because they have a question, like they are kind of showing their hand, like they have a problem. They mean they are using it, right, at some degree, but we want to show like, just, hey, show us success. So that's kind of my advice. Like you
Mhm.
have to take the issues first to get more people on there and incentivize to show success, and then that will kind of snowball into a bigger, broader community. That's my opinion, at least.
Mhm. Mhm.